Hello and welcome to Uncommon Astronomy. Today we're going to talk about a fascinating topic in astronomy, the Boötes void. The Boötes void is one of the most enigmatic and mysterious regions of the universe. It is an enormous, nearly spherical region of space that is almost completely devoid of galaxies. The void is located in the constellation Boötes, which is about 700 million light-years away from Earth. It has a diameter of about 330 million light-years, making it one of the largest known voids in the universe. Scientists have been studying the Boötes void for several decades, and they still don't know why there are so few galaxies in this region. One theory is that the void was created by the collision of two galaxy clusters, which ejected many of the galaxies from the area. However, this theory is still under debate and has not been confirmed. Another possibility is that the Boötes void is simply a statistical anomaly, and if we look further, we would find more galaxies. But regardless of the cause, the Boötes void remains a fascinating and mysterious feature of the universe, and it continues to intrigue astronomers and cosmologists alike. One thing that the Boötes void does tell us is that the universe is not completely uniform, and that there are regions of space that are more densely populated with galaxies, as well as regions that are almost empty. So there you have it, the Boötes void, a strange and fascinating region of space that reminds us just how much we still have to learn about the universe. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more interesting and exciting topics in astronomy and space exploration.